I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out the turmeric face mask. So I've seen a lot of video on YouTube about this face mask. Some people said it works for them and some said it doesn't work at all. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on my skin, on my face, and see how it's going to work, if it's going to work or not. So to start, you're going to be needing a bowl like this and honey. My honey is already inside this bowl, and you are going to be needing lemon and of course turmeric. So here is the mixture. The reason for the lemon or lime is to help lighten the dark spots on your face, and the reason for the honey is to help get rid of dead skin. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and start applying it on my face. I'm going to use this makeup brush. You can use your hand if you want, but I'm going to use this.
Without you here with me, but now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be an us. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one, 'cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side.
So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on my face for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off with warm water. I'll be right back. So guys, I am back, and yeah, I like the mask and I am going to continue using it to see more result. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.